Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your e-commerce with Shopify step by step clearly. To protect your e-commerce with Shopify, start by enabling two-factor authentication. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the settings. Click on Plan and Permissions. Locate the two-step authentication section and click Enable. Follow the prompts to set up your two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. Next, secure your store's data by using SSL encryption. Shopify automatically provides SSL certificates for all stores. Ensure that your store is accessible via HTTPS. Regularly update your passwords and use a strong passphrase. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your passwords securely. Next, control access to your store by managing staff permissions. Go to Settings and select Users and Permissions. Here, you can add staff accounts and set different access levels. Limit permissions based on employee roles to reduce risk. Regularly audit user access and remove permissions when employees leave. Install a reliable security app from the Shopify App Store. Look for apps that offer features like malware scanning and real-time threat monitoring. Check customer reviews and app ratings to find a reputable option. Ensure that your payment process is secure. Use Shopify Payments or trusted third-party payment processors for transactions. Review your transaction security settings in the Shopify admin panel. Consider implementing fraud analysis tools. Use Shopify's built-in fraud analysis features to screen orders for potential issues. Watch for high-risk indicators such as mismatched billing and shipping addresses. Keep your store's software updated. Always install updates and patches released by Shopify. Update any third-party apps you use to their latest versions. Regularly back up your store's data. Use a backup app from the Shopify App Store to automate this process. Store backups in a secure, off-site location for safety. Educate your employees about e-commerce security best practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.